Hello my friends and welcome back to the shop. I hope you guys are having a nice day today. Alrighty guys, so here's what we're working on today. This is my wood bead tumbler. And what it does is it turns chunks of wood like this into rounded chunks of wood. And essentially makes these wooden pendants for me without me having to do a whole lot of work. So what I have is a spinning disc here that spins inside a drum, and both of these are lined with sandpaper. And let me show you the inside. What I have is a pedestal grinder. At first I had a special motor and all that, but the motor itself burned out. But this pedestal grinder is pretty good. The only problem I'm having with it is that it's overheating. I figured maybe it was the airflow, so I put a hole in here and holes in here, and then hooked up a vacuum to it so it would pull air through the drum under the disc into the chamber and then out, right? And that improves airflow. But I feel like it wasn't enough because this doesn't have any kind of heat sinking on there. So it's just overheating and then it slows down and then it just stops. What I'm going to be doing today is building a water cooling system for this using this. I have copper pipe and a water pump. We're going to wrap the copper pipe around this thing, right? Get as much surface area on here as possible. And then we pump cold water through it to cool the outside of this, which hopefully will keep this running smoothly without overheating. And then we can finally tumble some wood beads and make some cool wood pendants. Alright, so that was quite the battle, but I got both ends done. So here we got the one end, and here's the other side. Here we go, we've got the whole thing. So now what I need to do is need to form this around that and get rid of that sticker first. So I'll get right on that. Ladies and gentlemen, here we are. I wanted to fit these 1/4 inch bolts in there, but the threading is mismatched. Luckily, I found these. These are from an IKEA bed, and they seem to fit just right. So now what we can do is we can start wrapping our coil around it. got some water now. And, before I go and put this whole thing back together, I just want to, well, before I finish this up, I just want to do a test run, you know, without any electricity involved. So this is our in. It comes from the pump. It'll coil around. This is the out. That should be it. Let's get some water in here. Let's plug it in. Let's see what happens. Contact in 3, 2, 1. Oh! Oh my! Oh, and it's cold instantly. Yes! Woohoo! Oh, baby, look at this. So, it's probably hard to see, but the pump is right in there. Our return is going pretty good. There's no more bubbles now. Oh, if you guys could feel this, it's so cold. Holy smokes. It's actually working. Do you know how cool this is? Oh my goodness, I couldn't sleep last night because I was thinking about how I'm gonna make this thing work. And hallelujah, we're here. Alrighty, so I've been a little bit busy here, and JB welded the inside of that. Essentially, I just smeared it on and then worked it into the gaps. I ran out of JB weld, so I had to be a little careful with where I put it. But what I want to do is let this set, and the set time is 4 to 6 hours. So I think this is all we'll be doing with this today. I'll make another part where I put this thing back together and get it up and running. Maybe we'll turn this into a little bit of a series. So that's all I got for right now. I'm trying out a little bit of a new thing here with these mini episodes, I guess, mini videos. I just wanted to put this together and show you guys how I did that. And the next one, we'll put the whole thing back together and give it a test run and see if our cooling system actually works. So subscribe to see when that happens. Like and comment if you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys have a great day. Bye-bye.